What? Okay, nah, I'm chilling.
Try it.
What? No, that's bad. That is bad. That is bad. I do not know how to. I need to genuinely work on how to start the vids, bro. I don't know how to do that shit, bro. Like, you would think after making like what, 15, 16 vids, 12, 13, about damn double digits of vids, I would know how to do an intro. I don't.
This nigga is trash.
Help me. But as y'all see, we back on that shit. Yeah, we back on that. We, as you can see, yes, me and you, yes, we both are back on our shit. And this is a new game out called, what's this game called? It's called They Killed Your Cat. I don't know nothing about this game. I haven't heard anything about this game. I've only seen probably one TikTok, and a nigga just got paid, and I said, you know what? I haven't recorded. Y'all niggas hungry. Y'all niggas trying to eat. Feel me? We need to drop something. So I'm like, this shit look tough. Let's play it. Feel me? Sensational. All right, let's get this shit started. Okay, start new game. Does this have audio? Cause it doesn't sound like it. Okay, that's up. It doesn't sound like it has audio, like at all. Enter save slot. Tyler.
What?
Oh wait, nah, hold on.
Bro, what are you talking about,
Dice
man?
World. Use laptop to save your progress. What the hell? Semi-manual, headshots only, mixed, enemy speed. Nigga, we do fast.
Wrong.
No jamming, weapons won't jam. What? Why would I? Enemies only, kill everything you see. Enemies mixed in with civilians. I wanna do enemies mixed in with things. Low amount of enemies, normal amount. Horde? Oh, yeah, give me a horde.
Wrong.
Collateral damage, killing civilians will end the game. Bet. Alright, let's get it. The hell? Ring. Yo, does this game not have audio? Oh, no, hold on, bro. There's no way. This game's gotta have audio. Finally fixed it. Alright. Now, let's get straight to this shit. Jeez, this shit took forever. So I don't have anything. Oh, I can sprint. So F. I'm gonna die. I have nothing. Oh, there's clips on the walls. Wait, let me go back. Insert this hoe. This nigga really hard as hell. Ready weapon. Oh yeah. Oh, so we gotta. Oh! What do I do? I'm out of. Yo, what do I do? I'm not trash. Nah, chill, bro. I'm not trash. So what do I do? I just. Alright, bet. I'm locked in. Bet. Alright, bet. So on the wall, R 2. Whoa, they're not dropping. 2. Better. Okay, that's an innocent. Don't kill her. Oh, you better. Oh! Yeah, shots on me. And I gotta keep past y'all. Oh, me. Oh, get on me. Me. Oh, get on me.
I am disgusted.
Oh, get on me. Get on me. Oh, yo, I don't. Okay, how about? I'm not trash. I know I'm not. Oh, I can buy guns.
No.
I can buy guns and I can. Oh, so I gotta level up. Yeah, it's one of those games. Say less. So, click, insert. Alright, watch this. 1. Drop his ass. 2. Drop his ass. Headshot. Drop his ass. Headshot again. Drop his ass. Alright, bet. Now. Okay, get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Niggas with the mask. Whoa! Like, headshots only is hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody dead. Yup. Nope. Lay down. Dead. Lay down. Bruh. Lay down, bruh. Come on. Up here. Good. Alright. I wanna rush in because every time I rush in I get smacked down. Okay, that's 1. That's 2. 3. I don't want it with me. Come on, get down. Get down. Come on, you don't want it. Lay down. Headshots only. I'm telling y'all, that's how you gotta get it. So we locked in now. Headshots. No, move. I know. Hold that lady. Get the hell out of the way, bitch. Move. Yo, bro. Okay, back and I'm all out. Juke. Ankles are mine. Real ankle breaker. We're out of here. Alright, bet. Down the hallway. Open it. Close it. Yeah. This shit. There's nothing in here, yo. Okay. I need some fire alarm. Enemies incoming. Where the clip? Yo. Where the clip? Move! Where are the clips? Oh wait, I bought the wrong thing. 5, no. Give me spare mags. Insert Q. Insert Q. Insert. I'm not sorry, bro. I know I'm not sorry. Y'all chill, bro. I'm not ass, bro. Come on, like I gotta remember it's my first time that. Like this is the first time I played in a long time, bro. Like chill, bro. Relax, man. Okay, insert. See, now we know what we gotta do. We gotta blow niggas down. Ready that, John? Come down here. Head pop. Head tap. One more. Don't do it. Head tap. I don't play them games right here. Move. Jamarcus, move. Jamarcus, get out the. Get out. Jamarcus, get out the way. Mark. Get down. Okay. Well, y'all about to witness this. I am going to run back. I'm going to turn around. My statue just fell. There's too much going on. Stop! I'm going to sidestep. I'm going to flash around. I'm going to up fire on audience. Watch the play. 3, 2, 1, go. I died.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I couldn't turn around in time. Bro, okay, like it's not hard, but it's not easy either, yo. Like it's not something you can just get in. Like, bro, it's not. Already, nigga, fold it. Move, Patricia. Get out the way. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 clips. I'm gonna get a hollow sight. Nah, just extra clip. More clips. All we need is clips. mean, oh my god! Yo, that's it. Ready! Finish. Bet. Move. Do not run at me. Don't you run at me. Alright, move it, Patricia. George, listen! George! Stop! Listen! George! Stop! Move it! George! Stop! I will block. Michael, move! What the hell? Michael, get out the way! George! Get out my way, George! I don't even play like that, George. I see. Come on, chill. Lay down. Alright. She down. Okay, cool. Leap up on him. Alright. Move. Hold up. I'm scared. Let me take a breath. Back into it. Alright. So, we good. Let's keep pushing. Listen, Linda, you gotta move. Remove the mag. Remove it. Yes, sir. Cute. And then
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
like I died. Okay, I got extra clips. Locking on them clips on right now. Full. Ready that jump. Bet. Y'all gotta remind me, bro. R, reload, Q, whatever the freak. Y'all gotta play on me, bro. Walk on that bitch. Run. Man, get back, man. Jamarcus, you better move. I will blow you down. Move! Oh! I'll blow you away. Move! Jamarcus! Jamarcus, you gotta move, man. Jamarcus! Move! Jamarcus gotta move, man. I'm telling y'all, like, it's really his fault. Jamarcus, he sits there. Man, we gonna pop. Dead. Gone. Cease. I ain't even have to do you too long. Reload. Okay, I gotta empty the full clip before I can reload. Patricia, Linda, Michael, James, y'all gotta. Insert the mag. Y'all better back up. Oh. Yo, Michael, Keith, y'all can't be doing that, man. Move. Lay down. So James, it's okay. Just move. James, James, move, man. You good. Damn it, James. Gotta get out the way, man. Alright, bet. Hold on. Let's restock. I don't even play like that, 5. And then I just dropped it. Oh, I can eject bullets? Oh, wait. I ain't know what the hell I was doing. I don't know what that was, but it did something. Alright, bet. Bet y'all wanna get jiggy with it? Y'all wanna get jiggy with me? Come on. Oh, load it! Come on, bro. We gonna get back to the room. We gonna close the door. Cause on me, I'm not gonna get blown out like this. Not on me. Don't put that on me, cause I might die. Come on. Oh, Nick. Reload. Bet. From this side. Y'all. Okay.
Do you want to play rough? Okay. Say hello to my little friend.
Come on. Y'all wanna come on up here? Yeah. I wanna come up here. Yeah. Y'all don't want it. Y'all don't want it. Say hello to my little friend. Come on. Head tap. Come on. Head tap. What you doing? Head tail. Going crazy. Give me that clip off the wall. Alright, gotta lock in. Let me get a hollow sight. 2 mags, let's get it. Alright, reload. Gotta reload, man. Alright. Okay. Remove this mag. Insert a new mag. Alright, now we good. Okay, that's pretty for jam. Alright. Let's get up. Come on, they ran us back into the wall, like the room, like we scared of something. We not scared, we get down like that. That's how we do this. That's how we move. Alright. But like as I was saying, like y'all gotta remember these games, man. They make my blood pressure. I haven't played a game like this, man. I haven't played a game so hype, so long. Y'all gotta get me. Bet, really rock. Launch. Yup. Reload. Click that jump. Oh yeah. You really want it? You really want it? Oh, open that door. Open that door. Y'all wanted it. Y'all asked for it. What just blew up in my face? That made a heart? It ain't Valentine's Day yet, man. Alright. Let's get some more clips. Lord knows we need them. Alright. See, that's why I'm keep buying them clips. Marcus, move. Linda, move. Your twin sister, get out the way. I don't got time for it. Alright. Moving and grooving. 5. I see. Hey, get it. Hey, I see. Y'all better stop. Hey, heads out. 1 A. 3 in a row. 3 to the head. Stop running at me, man. Move. Why did y'all niggas get in the way? Why? Why are y'all getting in my way? Let's get it. Just a few more times. And we're done, cause I can't do it. Better lay that. I'm on that. I'm on it. You want some more? You want some? Oh. Had to walk you down, Bob. I didn't even want to do you like that. You just ran up on me. Oh, y'all killed my cat, man. Come on. You better move. Head tap. You better move. You better get on my head tap. You better get on my way. Y'all better tell him. Hey, Bob, get out. Patricia, Bob, George, Duke, I don't know all y'all names. I only been working here for like 2 days. I only been working here for like 2 days, man. Y'all gotta remember, I don't know all y'all names, but I do remember Linda from the conference room. Yeah, she brought the muffins and stuff. Michael, I don't know. Michael, they coming. Michael, you gotta move, man. They coming. Michael, move. Michael, you gotta move, man. Like when you hear them coming, you gotta go, Michael. You gotta go. Just drop that whole mag. Reinsert a mag. Ready to weapon. Up 5. Let's get it done. Alright. This is where we died at, y'all. Yup. Got him. Move. Got him. Reinsert. It's cool. We good. Close it. Reinsert. Ready? Alright, go over there. Yep. Yep. Close it. Yep. Move it. Like John Wick. Ready? Alright, 3. On the count of 3, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Got them all, y'all. Drop. Did them bad. Give me the mags. Give me the mags. All right. You see just bodies. I think he was in it. No, he had a mask on. James, you gotta move, James. Is that your name or I don't know you, bro. I ain't seen you in the coffee. Hey, y'all all good? Hey, all right, move. Get out my way now. Y'all playing with emotion. I can't be. Y'all gotta get out the way, man. All right, who down here? Hey, bet. Hey, folks. Hey, y'all better. Hey, sir. Oh, you think you got it? You think you got it, homie? Thank y'all for watching the video. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. George wanted to get in the way. I don't know what his deal was. Linda wanted to get in the way. I don't know what her deal was. Linda and George, man, y'all got when I say move, y'all gotta move. Come on. What are y'all doing? Blowing me, yo. Alright, but anyways, like first game back, you know, something small, just wanted to let y'all know I'm back. You know, locking in this summer. You feel me? We gonna lock in the gym, and you know, gonna lock in the gym. You know, go get all set and shit. We gonna lock in the gym. We gonna lock in on the game. Feel me? I know I drank too many white Gatorades. I got a goddamn addiction here. I know. Cherry Gatorade is top 5 all time. But that's it, man. Just make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment if y'all really enjoyed the video, which I know y'all niggas standoffish a little bit. But just know, subscribe, like, comment, and I haven't done this in a minute. Hold on. Stay safe. Much love. Peace. We locked in.